Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Grapevine Elementary School, home of the Grizzly Bears in Vista, California. Just got done sharing my heart for a third time this school year, my final visit to their campus. I'm outside of the MPR right now where we had another fun assembly, great assembly, life lesson type of assembly. And it was all about fun icebreaker, team building games. And the students had a blast. We did different ones with cookies, cotton balls, we did some with nylons, tights, tennis balls. We also did the Dizzy Mummy with toilet paper. But all of the games that we did, they had a, message behind them. And the core was, kind of what they talk about on this mural here, what you see all around the school grounds. And it's talking about kindness. Kindness makes a world of difference. And that's not just towards others, but it's about that self-kindness too. Right, being kind to ourselves and giving ourselves the freedom and space to be ourselves, right? It's very easy to listen to the other opinions that are around us that are constantly bombarding us from social media, from friends, from family, whoever's, telling us to be a certain way, what beautiful really means, what it is. But we all have that choice, right? We all have this opportunity to be able to step into getting real, lowering that water line, for example, like the iceberg we talk about, 10% above water, 90% below, but making sure that we are genuine and authentic human beings. And the more that we are, it's so much easier, right, than having to put that mask on day in, day out. It takes too much energy to be someone that you're not. And when you understand that, you're beautiful just the way you are, and your true friends will see you for that, then all of a sudden, we give ourselves that openness to be unique, right? We want to be ourselves because everyone else is taken. And that ties into the miracle concept, of course, that I bring up in every assembly because it's so important to me. The shirt that I wear for this program today too, that we all have with the lines on our hand, the letter M. Trace one of mine here. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, once we truly believe it, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart. And it starts by kind of breaking the ice figuratively, right? Not literally, but breaking the ice around our hearts, around our minds. This kind of sometimes freezes us, where we can't really be 100% in, 100% who we are, who we're destined to be. So if we can step into the opportunity and the lifestyle of just being our own individuals, then this world becomes a lot easier for us to live, for us to create, for us to explore. And we don't take things so personally, right? There's so many opinions out there, but not all of them matter. What matters is what we believe, right? And those people that we truly care about and that care about us. So keep shining your light. Had a great time this school year. Hope to be back again in the future. Have a great summer break as well. And until then, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.